I guess I need to show you the box for this to be a true unboxing. But this is an unboxing of one of the new products from tinypandora.com. And you can see it's fragile, handle with care, so we're going to handle it with care. Comes in layers of bubble wrap and a plastic bag to hold it all together. And this is the new GlassMat for polymer clay from Tiny Pandora. And let me see if I can get out a little bit so I can see it all. Okay, it is 12 by 12. It has inches down this side and this side in measurements. Each of your squares 1 inch. And it has the centimeters on the side. It also has Tiny Pandora, which we all love. And it has the triangle and the hexagon shape. And I want to show you how to use those, because that's what makes this GlassMat so unique and special, unlike any other. I've been working with some of my old canes I just got out recently. I had so many of them, I decided that I just needed to pull them out and rework them into different canes, since clay's hard to find right now, and I had so many I needed to do something with them. But I put this one into a triangle, and I reduced it down because it was quite large to the size to where it fits right on top. Let me get you focused in there a little bit. Right on top of that triangle. And you can make your hexagon shaped kaleidoscope canes with 6 triangles. So let's move right over here a little bit. Go back out a little. There we go. So the triangle here, when you get your clay to fit right in that triangle, will fit right in the hexagon shaped triangles. Now, it doesn't matter if you're doing slices and putting them together, or if you're cutting up, like if I would reduce this round cane and put it into a triangle and cut it, you know, if I reduced it enough to where I got 6 good sized slices, then you just build your whole cane within this hexagon shape. And you could have them 1 inch or 2 thick. It doesn't matter how thick they are as long as they fit within the triangles. And then you can slice them and put them back on here and help shape them. That's where I always have problems with my kaleidoscope triangles, is that I don't get these outside lines completely straight and across from each other. So they're sort of wonky. So let me slice up this one, and I usually use a Lucy clay slicer. Let me move back out a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to slice this cane into 6 slices. And put it on my hexagon shape. And make a kaleidoscope cane out of this. There's 4. Now I'm going to slice a couple more than 6 since I've got the clay to do it with. And you know when you're waking up your old canes. If you just hold them in your hands, or you can put them on a hot water bottle or on a heating pad for a little while. Do not stick them in the microwave. But I just held these and literally got them moving again before I reduced it, because you need to get it to where your clay is all the same consistency in your cane in order for it to move correctly. That one's a little bit thin. We'll keep that out. So I can do, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6. Okay, I can shape it this way. And put my pink spot in the middle. And I don't remember why I made this cane. And the trick is, get your ends pointed, all of them, so they will all match up evenly. And you won't have a space in the middle of your cane, because space and air bubbles is what causes a lot of problems. Okay, I can do it that way. Let's change it around a little bit. And remember, match up your edges. That's what you're doing. What didn't I match? I can do it that way. The other way is going to be the same way because of the design of this cane. But importantly, you can use this hexagon to shape them up. And then you can go back through. I usually do 3 sides to 3 sides. It makes it easier. But you can use your shape on the board to actually push your clay in and make sure your edges are all straight. That's where I have my problems, is keeping these edges straight. Okay, you may ask, why are there grids on the board? We've all worked with grids on boards. And here's another little leaf cane that I did. I know right off the bat, without having a ruler or my little tape measure, that this is 2 inches long, because each square is 1 inch. Let's see, here's a little flower cane I made. And that's just over 2 inches. Here's a little design type thing I made. That one looks to be 2.5 inches. Or I can measure it over here on the centimeter side. And that one is, I very seldom use centimeters. I'm trying to learn them, so this makes it really easy. I can put it down here in the corner. Let me focus in on that. And this is just over 6 centimeters. And the easy thing with this, having your triangle here, I can choose an end, or with this circle cane. Let me get you back in here. Now I can take this circle cane, the round one, and I can choose a point. With this one it doesn't really matter, it's just a crazy cane anyhow. But I can flatten down one side and press in the centers, working outwards. And I can turn this into a triangle by pushing down on my board and pulling my round cane outwards. As I reduce it, it will go smaller. I'm pushing down with my thumbs, out with my fingers. You want to make your top side into your point. See how it's going into the triangle now? Bring your point out. But you can put it on your triangle, and you know where, let me back out a little bit, you know where, move these out of the way, which way you need to move it to get it equal on all three sides, which is most helpful. So I'm not going to sit here and reduce it all. That wasn't the point of this tutorial. This was an unboxing tutorial. And I think that I like the cane going this way. And like I said, it doesn't have to be just slices. It can be your entire cane that you can put on here. No matter how tall it is. Bring you in here. I got a little bit out of shape where I moved it. But you can build your hexagon shape right on the hexagon little sticker thing on your board. This is so exciting to have. First one made just for polymer clay. So where do you get them? tinypandora.com. So get yours ordered today. You'll love it. See you next time, guys. Blessings.